ka Motorsports Club Meghalaya kabadai kawai na kiseng bala rimtam hinin ka Sngi kala pentip bahkan sa Pynlong ya ke Jingïakob Ñiah kali ka balai Sngi Lynter bala tip kum ka off-road trophy. Kaban salong Naduh ka arpau Tarik Haduh arpau Tarik ubanai Jyll hakadam kulai Ribhoi district. Haba ai jingkren cekilat patai kubor u Presiden jangka Motorsports Club Meghalaya uba Ñiah ula ong baka sengkan Pynlong ya kani ke Jingïakob kum shibanta na ke jingdap arpau snem jangka uba Ñiah ula ong ru ba Naduh jangkani ke Lempung un sayo ara ya ku kusnam song tingka ka trophy bat ka sernon.
Even where different kinds of 4x4 cars can participate. It's a 3-day event, starting from the 20th, it's a night stage, then the second day followed the second day and the third day, which will be concluded by the prize distribution. So we want to inform the media and the people who want to participate. They can come there and experience to watch or you can participate to bring your vehicles and taste what is off-roading all about. It's kind of a monsoon challenge also at the same time because we purposely doing it on the rainy time. And of course we're giving the trophy, the certificates and prize money for all the categories.